I'm Zena Shteysel and I'm the creator of the Z palette. I'm here at my friend Robin's house because she has a makeup emergency. We have to organize her makeup and get her downsized and streamlined, and the Z palette is the perfect solution for that.
Hi, Zena.
Hi Robin, how are you?
Oh, I'm good.
We are here at Robin's. We are going to take care of all her makeup and get her all organized.
I can't even open my drawer all the way. It only comes out that far, and I try to keep my most important stuff here.
So I see all your eyeshadows and everything.
And underneath those layers, I don't even know what's on the bottom. It's ridiculous.
Is it hard for you to find what you're looking for when it's all kind of...
It's so hard.
Well, that's what we are going to do today, is to help and solve that problem.
How did you come up with this?
From all the makeup that you need as an artist and everything, I just wanted to organize. I had to redo my kit over and over until I got it to a really downsized kit to where I could handle like carrying it everywhere I'm going. It's also making it easier for me to see everything I have and be quicker when I'm working. It just makes life easy, and it can also be used for just the everyday woman with her makeup. As most women have their stuff, you know, in all these packages and containers, and have the stuff thrown in a drawer, and they forget what they have, or they buy the same color over and over because they forget what they have. This way, I can show you how to organize it so easy, so you see everything you have there, and then you don't have to rummage through stuff wasting time. And then you see like all the colors that you have, and you can be a little bit more creative. The next time you go makeup shopping, shop for a different color.
I'm not going to buy the same brown that I think I don't have.
Exactly.
I mean, this is a Titleist golf ball
that
box that my husband bought golf balls in, and I'm like, oh, it's the perfect size to hold all of this, and then I'm like, what's all of this? What's even under there?
You kind of have a lot of the similar colors, and now that they're out here, you kind of see a lot of what you tend to gravitate to. So you have your mauves over here, and you have some over here, and some neutrals, and it's all kind of the same color family, and then your bright blue and green that we have working over here. So Robin, look what we've done here. I mean, we've gotten everything into these two palettes from everything we started with. All this packaging now. You don't have to carry or house all of this stuff. Now all you need is your two Z palettes with the clear window, so you can see everything you have. It makes your life so simple. And we also have the small Z palette, so if you don't necessarily want to carry these big ones around and you just want, say, to touch up after work and you're going somewhere, you could put that in your little Z palette and just put this in your purse and take it with you.
Because for business trips, I'm not going to bring all them. I'm going to bring just my few little shadows. I love these two. These are kind of my duo favorites. I might bring one, you know, cool darker color. And this is my staple blush that I use like every day. And this just goes right in my little carrier, my makeup carrier case. Here's the drawer. Oh my gosh. And it looks like
it fits perfectly with the small, even with the small. And you have space for a couple more too if you want to add to your collection.
Right, and they're so thin I can really stack them.
We've succeeded in making your drawer more organized and streamlined and downsized.
And it's perfect. Oh my gosh. Look, here we go.
Awesome.
Help it away.